Website and app presentation by Skye DeCandia. About me. My name is Skye DeCandia. I am a deaf and hard of hearing elementary education major. I would love to be teaching any subject to students in the DHH program in elementary schools. This website is an excellent resource to teachers that use in the classroom. It includes many teaching resources including lesson plans, worksheets, and interactive activities. This website also allows users to download software that makes teaching more efficient. This website also allows teachers to collaborate with others and make collaborative lessons. It is always improving and becoming more advanced. These are some screenshots that show what content and resources are available on the website. This website provides support for students with exceptionalities and how they provide information with how to properly teach these students and many lesson plans. Students who are gifted will benefit from this website and how there are many lesson plans and PowerPoints that are more advanced to fit these students' needs. Students who are performing at grade level will benefit from this website because there are many lesson plans for general education classrooms and many activities available for these learners. This website also provides teachers with many resources that support students with ELL background. These are some screenshots of the website that supports that information. The app Animoto Video Slide Maker allows teachers and students to make videos about anything they want to. This app is quick and simple and accessible to people with a smartphone. It allows you to use your own videos, pics, and music to create any video. It has many great reviews and is very well known. This could be a great addition to the classroom lesson plans. Overall, this app supports the needs of students with exceptionalities, ELL backgrounds, performing within grade level, and students who are gifted. These are some screenshots of the app, and it also provides a description of how the app can be used and what it is all about. Thank you.